First, the headlines. PHE Department work charge employees not given confirmation even after 20 years, laments Joint Coordinating Committee. And CCIN Forum Peace Committee extends aid materials to 𝐿𝐸𝐸𝐸 village volunteers. Hello Kurumjiri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie THIYAM. Now the news in detail. President of Joint Coordinating Committee of PHED Workers and Employees Organization Manipur, B. Gunamani Sharma, has lamented that the department still fails to give work charge confirmation for work charge employees who have been in charge of supplying water to the public even after 20 years. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Gunamani drew attention of the authority concerned to look into the plights of work charge employees of Joint Coordinating Committee of PHED Workers and Employees Organization Manipur and all Manipur PHED Employees and Workers Union PHED. He further termed it unfortunate that the work charge confirmation, which should be issued on completion of 10 years, has been put on hold even after 24 years, while confirmation for work charge employees of PWD Power Department had already been issued. Further expressing disappointment that the government has not taken any step till date, he maintained that they would not want the civilians to suffer by launching cease work strike and urged the government to give the confirmation at the earliest and also provide the honorarium of the workers. Gunamani warned that the committee will launch various forms of agitation if the authority fails to pay heed to their demands.
Mapung moina magi category THIYAM to mapung moina am long suffer oiraba department sigi backbone oidana mabil engineering sigi mayam ki ising piriba masigi employees sing maruina workers sing se kara maina lakpagi habita yam tenba I simple stream leisure ke master oina sahi 20 years makoi leisure aduga 1999 ki January 11 to khoisi workers convert to min 900 convert to adu hojiki 900 se 2024 sida misani ga kuntare tangaire adu workers amana pham thopa right city magi sahi tara subada mase confirmation pigeda 10 years sukan masi PIC na Manipur government gi OM mama PIC na 201 da maduda order ma PIC na 10 years sukan sida mase confirm pigeda confirm facility se primarily benefit the mara bound to Japanese department punamaki PWD IFCD MID aduga PICD lady chak mane makoi dadi sahi tara su the confirmation si loi pire.
CCIN Forum Peace Committee extended aid materials to village volunteers at 𝐿𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 village near 𝐿𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 East District. This is the third time the committee is extending the help to the village volunteers at 𝐿𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸. Speaking to media on the sidelines, one village volunteer at 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 Awang Laikai named 𝐂𝐠𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵 Abung maintained that the village volunteers and not only the people of 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 but also people of the surrounding villages including Pukhao, Terapur, Pukhao Santipur and Pukhao Leitanpokpi can never accept Assam Rifles' bid to vacate the base camp of Pambay-led UNLF who have been guarding the villages. He continued that they will never allow the base camp to be removed at any cost even if they had to sacrifice their lives. Questioning as to why the Assam Rifles would ask for removal of the base camp of Pambay-led UNLF who have been guarding Meitei villages when they allowed the setting up base camps of Kuki militants groups under Sioux Pact in Kuki inhabited areas, Abung denounced the partisan conduct of the Assam Rifles. Further maintaining that they don't have any faith in the Assam Rifles, he contended no prohibition should be put on setting up of the base camp of UNLF MPA. Abung also expressed gratitude to CCIN Forum Peace Committee for the moral support and encouragement by extending its helping hands to the village volunteers in peripheral areas since the violence broke out on May 3 last.
Megi ahumdagina ngasibokta chatharaiba tha mapan tara chathajarlaba asida Sisan Forum na aikoida aduki matik haibidi mamangi me ahum dagi aikoina ikoi kuidri kanagi makoina haujipokta aikoida donation laije ahum mari ti lai haitare masi aikoina yamna nungai jai kaino haibidi choina takraba adaidi yamna laira jarba khungang pik aba piaba mafam khuding ta Sisan Forum na mafam khuding mak chatana tengbang bidana aikoi leiri aikoi punjan na daba yade aikoina maitai gi damakta aikoi thawai bok thagani haidana ngasi kungai bijingna thawna phari bisi sigumba aikoi gi organization natraga civil society amadi aikoi manipur da khundaminari khuding mangna lakan da support tawbidana aikoi da sumaina mateng pangbidana aikoi da pungning thawgot bidana ngasi nongjum asi aikoi na koki gi khutagi aikoi kanmangam dana aikoi na thawna phana lepcheri basi manipur gi kachin koya dagi adadi sohor manung dagi lakpiri ba kwai khuding mangna aikoi da thawna pibi baduni
Wakhalon Manaba Apunba Wama Kangleipak observed the International Mother Language Day yesterday. As part of the observance, President of Wama 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬, on behalf of Wama, presented a whiteboard, marker, shawl, cash incentive and certificate of appreciation to 𝐂𝐲𝐰𝐬, daughter of 𝐂𝐲𝐰𝐬 of 𝐸𝐸𝐕, who has been working tirelessly for development and promotion of the mother language. A press release by Wama Publicity Secretary 𝐶𝐄𝐰𝐬 said, despite being born to an impoverished family with her mother selling vegetables and her father taking up odd jobs to make ends meet, Nirupama was dedicated to promoting the mother language, and since a very young age, she started tutoring children for free. She couldn't even afford even a blackboard and chalks, and as such, she would use just white peppers, write down the letters and teach them to her students. She has now completed her graduation and pursuing MA third semester at Birtikendra University, Kanchipur. She has also presented passages and poems in Manipur language at All India Radio from time to time. She faced a myriad of problems while pursuing her education from class 4 to 7. Being a humanitarian with full of compassion, Nirupama has also educated many visually impaired persons for free, the press release said. President of Wama 𝐸𝐸𝐬 said that Wama felicitated Nirupama on the occasion of International Mother Language, as Wama considers that she is deserving of the recognition for her various contributions in promoting the mother language.
West Pakistan to East Pakistan, Haina, I do Galing, Asina Bangladesh, wherever, Atamu the Islam Lining Sasaba, Islam Kangu, Sinsina, Masagi, Urdu, Mama, my origin of the Natragasu, Makana, the Jayam from Duki Bangali, Lamda Lebanina, Bangla, Longa, Mama, wherever, Modu Taduoga, West Pakistan, Matamudi, Lengatana, Makari, Lengapi, Makata, Lebanon, Orga, Makari Nandana, Islam. Lining Sepan number Oregon Urdu Nanga de Bani, Hadana, Napu or Pata, Matambugi, East Pakistan, West Pakistan, Yam Kan Sunabulan, Machine Bangladesh or Set. Masjid Matambugi labor, Islam Raizaba, Bangali, Islam Chapel, Sinakari, Togibu, Imalon, Bangali, Semashatokum, Zero Hadana, Akan Ihumalakiba, the Loyana Milkaya, Sigap and the Quantity Captain. Adumaka Sanado Malamiam, Kanan, Bakaya, and Mutunda, the scene of Mapan. Draga, Mapanda, Iwana, Sigubun, Esse, Okogi, Asiaban Sidagi, Malayanda, Malon, Kanbagi, Ama, Pampoji Hadana, Kanaki, Budunamar Orega, Pokebal Landi, the Simaga, Draga, Matu, Orgasu, Aduga, Pampo, even from Paton, Tokibadi, the Simaga, Smapan, Pandani.
The International Mother Language Day was also observed at Wangjing yesterday. The observance was held at Corridor Sanglen Wangjing, jointly organized by Corridor San Doklub Wangjing, Manipuri Sahitya Parisat, Thoubal District Branch and Ningol Khut Manipur Wangjing. A book release function and discussion on Meitei language were the main highlights of the observance. President of Corridor Sandoklub Wangjing, Tongbram Babulala, President of Manipuri Sahitya Parisat, Thoubal District 𝐸𝐸𝐬, and President of Ningol Khut Manipur Wangjing, Khundongbam Gunamani Lema, graced the observance as the presidium members. After the delivery of keynote address of the function by Secretary of Corridor Sandoklub Wangjing, Laisham Shamo, the presidium members also released a pamphlet of the event. A book titled Mamal Naijaba Khudol, written by Nahakpam Biren, was also released and introduced by Ibosanayambem on the occasion. While during the discussion on Meitei language, Tongbram Babulala gave a detailed account on language and literature. Yumnam Wanglan Thoibi spoke on role of Meitei language in Manipuri literature. Associate Professor Sengoi Sanasam spoke on the future of Manipur languages, and Bharat Sanasam on short stories and dialectics.
कुछ साहित्य ऐसी सोसाइटी की नेचर की सोसाइटी की कोई वकल्ला तारकों में मीज़ बोलूँ कोई ना किया पुंगो अगर मरद कोई ना कोई तारीखों में मीज़ बसी रिफ्लेक्शन है बसी असीम बताए तो उन्हें सत्तरीवा नेचर का पुनाई सत्तरीवा प्रोसेस में याद बसी मसीही मम्मी उन्हें रिफ्लेक्शन में लाएगा कोई रोल जैसे जो मसीही न्यूज़ मम्मी जैसी ताबों तुरी हाईवी वकल नहीं अदगी डायलिटिक्स में भी न्यूज़ जो साइट जो लेकिन तुरी साइट की ओटू अमंगी माई सत्तरी प्रोसेस का नेचर सत्तरीवा पुनाई सत्तरीवा शुरू हुई प्रोसेस है कि कोई रोल की ओटू अमंगी जो तथापि कोई मसले लेकिन क्या है
The Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur (COSM), which commenced yesterday, was held peacefully in Jiribam district across 2 examination centers amid tight security measures. The 2 examination centers are Jiribam Government Higher Secondary School and Borobekra Government Higher Secondary School. At the Jiribam Government Higher Secondary School, a total of 209 students appeared for the exam, with 109 students of arts stream, 98 students of science stream, and 3 commerce students. While a total of 64 students sat for the exam at the Borobekra Government Higher Secondary School, with 38 students of arts stream and 26 students of science stream. The HSSLC examination will end on March 23. Speaking to media, Principal of Jiribam Higher Secondary School, Jaida Begum, said out of 211 students, 2 students did not show up for the examination, while 1 student transferred the exam center to Kampopi after seeking permission from the council. The exam was conducted peacefully under strict security on the first day, she said.
Class 2 की परीक्षा तो हुई पुनः छात्रा सनी का ड्रामा थोड़ी सनी का ड्रामा थोड़ी सा मिनी में ऑप्शन हो रहे प्राइवेट केंद्रीय अन्य में आवी अदुगा हर चित्र सी की मपान तो कौन सेंटर सी तानिंग दे बतेगी अभी लाया बजे काउंसिल ने पी बनी काउंसिल ने पी रहेगा सेंटर होंगे होंगे तो बतेगी कांपो पी तो ताकि बा छात्रा में चुयावे हम सारे आने से चेक है वो सेंटर ताकि परीक्षा से फ्लाइंग स्वास्थ्य लाते हैं हम संगठन है हम सुनी तो लिए ना खाली.
Now let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Welcome you all to UNAPA School Channel in Fal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko loy na hinibasing tamagi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu tamagi manungda hantabang ngamle. Kong habanungay tebasu numit mga nigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile sabidi nungsan nabasu jama de jama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu tamagi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oy basu tamagi manungda fagathan bangamle. Pumnamak natural oy ba hida makalna lying Japanese. Hakjang na sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak jabagi mathosu tararoy. Hena kumaparol gidamak nasimak lengsin birao Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayampali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Introducing a newbie challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle. Sense of wellness and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited seats, so grab the opportunity. We also provide specialized classes on main topics like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solutions, 2nd floor, JESSY Building, More Market, Palma Bazaar, Impal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Mega Minds Coaching Institute for competitive exams. Endorsed and guided by successful IAS, MCS and bankers. ZFC Zenering Foundation course for SSC, Banking, UPSC and FPSC. Now at Thoba. Mega Minds, empowering the experience.
Welcome back. A Manipuri Jiu-Jitsu team left Imphal today to participate in the Senior National Jiu-Jitsu Championship 2024, stated to be held from February 23 to 25 in Uttarakhand's Dehradun. The team is led by 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 Ningthem, while team coach 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 Feroz Khan and manager Mohammed Abbas are the state delegates. The Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party have finalized their seat-sharing alliance for the 7 Lok Sabha seats in Delhi after several rounds of deliberations this week, sources said on Thursday. Sources from both parties confirmed that they had settled for a 4-3 seat-sharing formula, with AAP contesting 4 constituencies and Congress on 3. A senior Congress leader said the agreement was finalized after the AAP agreed to the Congress's proposal to contest from 1 Lok Sabha seat of its choice and another suggested by the latter. The formal announcement of the alliance, with the entire roster of seats which each one will contest, is likely to be announced on Friday, the leader said. According to Congress sources, the alliance was likely to bring the East and Northwest Lok Sabha seats to its fold, irrespective of the choice of the 3rd seat that it would contest. Meanwhile, the Enforcement Directorate ED has issued a fresh summons to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the excise policy-linked money laundering case. Sources said the agency has asked him to appear before it on the 26th of this month for questioning. This is the 7th summon of the ED to Kejriwal under the provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA). He has skipped 6 summons terming it illegal. The ED had recently filed a fresh complaint against the Delhi Chief Minister and AAP Chief for disobeying its summons in this case. One skier from Russia has died after a massive avalanche hit Gulmarg, a ski resort town in Jammu and Kashmir today. 7 skiers from Russia were hit by the avalanche and 6 have been rescued. Helicopters were deployed for search and rescue operations. The massive avalanche hit the upper reaches of Gulmarg today near the Kangduri slopes, officials said. The foreigners had gone to the ski slopes without locals, a news agency reported, quoting officials. Personnel of the army and a patrolling team of the Jammu and Kashmir administration were called to carry out rescue-cum-search operations. Visuals from the aftermath of the avalanche show tourists stuck in knee-deep snow and a civilian helicopter hovering over the area. A snowmobile, which is often